What's up, YouTube? We got an interesting one today. The Apple AirPods Pro 2. I just picked this up recently from a store whose name begins with an A. Could it be Apple? Or some other store? Anyways, we're gonna unbox this and let's see if you can tell if this is a real or fake pair of AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Here we go. Here's the box, as you can see. Looks good to me. We have the pull tabs up here. This looks good to me too here. The right model number. So let's unbox it. Designed by Apple in California. That looks good. Let's see what's in the packet. AirPods Pro documentation. Looks good to me. Put that aside. Here's the AirPods. It's got the plastic. That looks pretty good. And we have the charging cable. I'm assuming you guys can already tell by now, but looks like it's a USB-C to Lightning. Yep, that's what it looks like. USB-C to Lightning. Okay, and then we have some tips. Let's see what kind of tips these are. Okay, these look pretty good. We have a extra small, small, large, and I believe the mediums are already installed. We'll take one of these out and see how they feel. Oh, that was a very nice snap. So it seemed like they've really improved the tips. Alright, so let's take a look at the actual AirPods. That was just a piece of dust. Alright, what do we got here? Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Oh, it's got the nice lanyard hole, and it does look really nice. It looks almost metal-like. It's a lightning port on the bottom with the speakers. Oh, that's interesting. They made a little noise. Okay, and looks like we have something interesting here. I'm just gonna take one of these out. You see, there's a little piece of tape right there. Yeah, I'm not sure if the real AirPods have that. Look at this little piece of tape covering the air holes. But if I look at the serial number actually matches. Model A2700. That's scary. Overall, this feels like a pretty nice build, honestly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let's try the case. Yeah, looks really nice. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comments below of a 2024 AirPods Pro 2nd generation.
Like and subscribe.